guys, and welcome back to my channel. Nissan Australia has again raised the small SUV bar with a completely new Nissan Qashqai that is even roomier than before, and which feature a new turbo-petrol engine with more power and torque, improved fuel economy and lower emission. The wheelbase of the Qashqai has increased by 19mm, with the overall length increased by 31mm. There is an increase in height plus 30mm and wide plus 29mm for improved presence on the road. Nissan newly developed HR13DD 1.3-liter 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine is fit to the new Qashqai, delivering an extra 4 kW of power and 15 Nm of torque than the engine it replaced, lifting total output to a satisfying 110 kW at 5,500 RPM and 250 Nm at 1,600 to 3,750 RPM. A new generation Xtronic CVT support to drive the greater fuel efficiency and a better performance, with the transmission internal friction reduced by 29%. All models feature pedal shift gear changing from the steering wheel and 3-mode operation: Standard, Eco and Sport. The new Xtronic deploy a twin oil pump system, which increase or decrease the oil flow depending on the drive mode, producing seamless upshifting at slower speed and sharper step-like shift under hard acceleration in sport mode. The new Qashqai uses in a fresh, athletic European styling package with a floating roof design, shark fin aerial and integrated rear spoiler. It is not just sleeker looking, but also smoother through the air thanks to aerodynamics innovation like an active grille shutter, air content airflow enhancement, and a flat underfloor which wrap around the exhaust tunnel. The front end, the all-new Qashqai sport an enlarged Nissan V-Motion grille, finished in chrome with a secondary print stripe of satin chrome to emphasize its precision. This is flanked by slim, full LED headlamp with boomerang signature daylight running light. Super tight gaps between all these details create a premium and precise impression. From the side, the new Qashqai appears more athletic and dynamic, with a single fast line that strides through the car from the front to the rear, giving a very horizontal presence to the car, but also conveying a sense of dynamism.